Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by cleaning and shaping. This matters because chrome needs a flawless base. Remove old polish and degrease with alcohol, then file and buff gently to smooth ridges. Push cuticles back and trim excess skin so chrome sits evenly. Apply an ultra-thin gel base coat. Avoid pooling at cuticles. Cure under an LED lamp for the recommended 30 to 60 seconds. Once done, don't skip wiping the tacky layer unless instructed by product. This controls adhesion and shine. Now you'll build color and lock it down. Apply a thin, even gel color coat. Black or dark tones amplify chrome, then cure for 30 to 60 seconds. If opacity is low, add a second thin layer and cure again. Next, use the sponge tip applicator to pick up chrome powder and buff in circular motions. This compresses pigment into the cured surface and creates the mirror effect. Work with steady pressure and cover edges. Once you have a smooth, reflective finish, gently remove excess powder with a soft brush. Finish by sealing that chrome. Apply a no-wipe glossy top coat in a thin layer and cap the free edge, then cure fully for 60 to 90 seconds to harden the surface. Make sure all chrome powder is removed from the skin before sealing to avoid smudging. If you see dull or patchy areas, lightly buff the surface to remove lift, reapply a thin layer of powder, then reseal with top coat. For lifting or chipping, remove and redo that nail to restore adhesion and shine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.